Yeah, long day. Waterfall now. It's been a long day. Just out already shopping. So finished now, just waiting to see. It's busy. Today was so busy for Friday. Obviously it's weekend and it was really busy. Traffic there and there. People coming to buy. Especially in town, Rustenburg. Athletes, Nalibato, Tatayana. Just so it's the time of the year, obviously December, Christmas.